What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually working on Dylan's car. It's in the garage right now. I'm on the super wide angle lens that I used to use back in the day. I took it off because it wasn't adequate enough for lighting and like made the videos really blurry, but now that I have tons of lighting in my garage, it actually looks a lot sharper now. But his car's in the garage. As you know, we detailed the car a couple weeks ago. You know, it looks pretty damn good. The car's a little dirty right now, but it's still super shiny. Really nice, really nice. I'm really proud of the work I did. Also update, I got an AC unit right now. It's blasting, feeling really nice. So if you hear a little humming in the background, that's that. We're doing a taillight swap on his ISF over here. He's got the stock ISF taillights. These were unchanged from 2008 all the way to 2013, 14. One of those years, I think it was 13. So we are swapping them out for these. If I remember correctly, these are called Vlad, V-L-A-D. You can buy them on eBay for like a few $100s, but they look really good. They actually look like the LS, the new 2017-2018 LS taillights. As you can see how nice and sharp this line is compared to the D Sport that came out a couple years before that. The D Sport ones, they're super red and they don't look as nice and OEM looking like these, but Dylan decided to pick these up because he was really feeling it, and we're gonna put them in. So it's actually not that hard to put in. You just gotta take out a couple of panels and clips, and then you'll be exposed to some 10mm screws. I've taken mine out a few times already when I did my wrap, and it's, you know, pretty straightforward. I'm trying to do this video in under 5 minutes, so we'll see. And I'm gonna set you guys on tripod and start taking the thing apart. Alright guys, there's 4 screws here. There's 1, 2, and then 3 and 4 in this little pocket. It's just 4 10mm. Once you get that out, disconnect. I think this is it. Pretty straightforward. Pop that off, and now we're gonna start wrenching out all of these screws or bolts. Alright guys, so here's the easy part. What I'm gonna do is I just hold on to this plastic piece right here on the tail light, and I'm just gonna wiggle it out. Pushing up, by the way, so you can see this thing go up. See? See a difference? It's cool, right? So super red OEM Lexus and super aftermarket, somewhat OEM looking, you know, whatever. So there it is. Woo! Man, make me jealous, man. Anyway, we're gonna slide it in, harness first, as you can see. Harness first through the big hole, big square hole. Gonna line it up with the OEM holes because they do line up pretty nicely. So these little black ones go on the outside, right here, and the little silver one goes on the inside. I assume they coat the black ones out here just to prevent from rust, because it is where the water channel is on the trunk. So I look pretty damn good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the other side in, and we're gonna get started on the sides right after. There's only 3 screws, as you can see right there.